The entrance is clearly mentioned that this is not the official opening, and the reason is because the park is not ready yet. The park has been here for a very long time, and for a couple of years people were living inside this park. That's why it wasn't kept up, and now they are redoing the whole thing, but they do already open it up so that people can come and enjoy it, which I think is brilliant. The park will be nice, and I can see already by the way that they are constructing it now that it's going to be a very beautiful park here in the center of Bangkok, next to the CentralWorld Mall and the Pathumwananurak Mall. Just a nice way to get out of the heat, a nice way to get out of the concrete jungle. Good afternoon. I'm here at the R Walk next to the CentralWorld, and today I'm going to show you a new park that recently opened. Well, it's not really a new park. This is the Pathumwananurak Park. This one already opened a couple of years ago, but unfortunately some people were squatting on this premises. They had to wait till they could remove the houses that they built, and now the park opened again. So I'm gonna go down and I will show you how the park looks at the moment. The park is literally next to CentralWorld. It's just a short walk. We're in the middle of the hot season. I mentioned it already. It's extremely hot in the city. So this is not a new park. This park already finished in 2018, and then it took over 5 years now before they could really open it. And now they have like an unofficial opening, how they call it, every day between 10 and 6. You can come and visit the park. It's clearly mentioned that this is not the official opening, and the reason is because the park is not ready yet. The park has been here for a very long time, and for a couple of years people were living inside this park. That's why it wasn't kept up, and now they are redoing the whole thing, but they do already open it up so that people can come and enjoy it, which I think is brilliant. So they are now busy with doing the landscaping. I'm not the only vlogger that's around in the park here today, and if I'm not mistaken, that is JW in Thai, or just walking in Thailand. He has a very nice channel and he's not talking in his videos, so if you want to get the full atmosphere, go and check out his videos. I will put a link to his channel in the description, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be a nice video about this park in there as well. A bit of green in the middle of the concrete jungle. That's actually what a city like Bangkok needs. Sawadee krap. Krap. These are the people that make sure that this park is going to be nice and livable, and I can see a lot of flowers that they are putting in here. Very nice. This is next to the Klong, so you can also come here with the Klong boat. Here we have a map of the park. So it's called Pathumwananurak Park. It's not the easiest name to say, and I might say it wrong. So we just entered here at gate 1, And there's a water retention pond, and then more trees and park in the back. So let's go and have a look. So we're in the middle of Pratunam. This here is the market, and this is a new hotel that's built there. Then you have an office tower that's under construction, and right behind there you have the ice city, or the ice town, that I visited a couple of weeks ago. And here you have CentralWorld. Actually wondering if you're able to go in here with a bicycle. But this looks pretty nice actually. It's already, the landscaping is well on the way. Quite a bit of fish in here. Nice. So if you come and bring some bread. So this is where the houses used to be. So I started filming around 3 years ago, and I always wanted to film this park, and this is the first time that I'm able to get in here. Basically it just was closed the whole time. Actually pretty nice landscape, and it almost feels like it's an ancient city. You know, you have Ayutthaya and Sukhothai, and it wouldn't surprise me if this is based on the old temples in those cities. See, this really looks like an old temple. Yeah, I'm not gonna edit anything in this video, no music, no fancy speed ups. I think it's nice to just show it exactly how it is. So this looks like a building that they can use for exhibitions, and it says this building is not currently open. Okay. Wow, it's amazing that they had to wait 5 years for this to open. This is owned and built by the Crown Property Bureau. Very nice. I'm actually quite impressed by this park. I didn't expect anything, and it seems to be very nice. It's very easy to reach. You can take the BTS to the Chitlam station and walk the R walk, and then you end up at this park. Or you can just go, if you're next to CentralWorld, you can come and visit here. It's next to Pratunam, it's next to the Klong boat. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding this old new park in Bangkok. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.